Hello everybody, welcome back. Happy Tuesday. So on Tuesdays on my channel, we do like cooking hacks or tips. And this is a little thing or a little hack or something that I've been doing for years when I want a cold drink and I don't have any like juice or anything in my fridge. And it also works if you're craving just like plain unsweetened iced tea. I love this technique so much, it's super refreshing. So let's get started. Okay, so first all you need to do is I just have like a glass, whatever drinking thing that you would like. This is off to an awkward start. And then you want to get 2 tea bags of your choice. So I'm using white tea right now. I use green tea for this a lot of the time, or fruit tea. So we're gonna add 2, and then we're gonna pour in just enough boiling water to submerge them. So you don't want to add too much, less is more here. And we're going to allow this to steep for as long as it normally steeps. So you don't want to go past the recommended steeping time, like too much, maybe a couple minutes more. But we do want this to be stronger, but that's why we're doubling up the tea bags instead of doubling up the steeping time. Because doubling up the tea bags will just make it a stronger flavored tea, but doubling the steeping time could make it bitter. And I hate bitter tea. I always make it by accident, and it's like one of my pet peeves. Anyways, yes, so you want to steep it on it till they're ready to go, and I will see you guys back when they're ready. Okay, so as you can see, they are quite steeped. It's quite dark. So we are just going to remove the tea bags. And smell the tea so strongly. Okay, so now we're gonna pop 1 ice cube in, and so you want to be, what's the term? I don't know. Just put 1 in, because you don't want to shock the glass by adding something super, super cold to something really, really hot. All we're gonna do right now is allow it to cool slightly with the 1 ice cube. And then once this melts, we are going to pile in the ice. Because this is the 1 ice cube has helped drop the temperature of the tea, so that when we're adding more ice, it's not going to shock the glass, and your glass won't shatter, which you don't want. And yes, my my ice cube tray is shaped like a bunny. It's not shaped like a pankobunny, although I do have a pankobunny shaped silicone molds. Side note, would you buy those if I made silicone molds in the shape of the pankobunny? Because I've had some custom made for my chocolate shop on Etsy, but like, if you guys want it, I can see if like bulk versions are possible. Alright, so there we go. It is filled with little iced bunnies. And now you're going to get either water or, in my case, sparkling water, because I love sparkling water. I hate drinking water, but sparkling water, oh my god, all the time. Love it. Ow. So funny, I can't open the bottle. And it's ideal if it's chilled, because again, it'll help make your tea nice and cold. And so we're just gonna pour that on top. And that's literally it. But yeah, there you go. You can definitely give it a stir. I paused to take a photo because it would look so gorgeous in the thumbnail. But yeah, you can also add like some sugar syrup or like any kind of sweetener if you would like to taste sweeter, or you just leave it like this. It's so good. And so the reason that we created such a strong little concentrated amount of tea is so that when we're diluting it with either sparkling water or whatever you like, it dilutes it and it just tastes like regular tea, but the diluting material also helps chill it in like 2 minutes. So there we go. I hope that this was handy. If you have any other like drink recipes or anything else that you'd like to see me make, definitely leave them in the comment section down below. And tomorrow I am making my mom's birthday cake, and it went horribly wrong. Like the beginning of the video is normal. I look normal. I'm all happy. I'm like, okay, this is gonna be a normal video. The cake's gonna look so pretty, and then it ends with me and my mom like laughing so hard we're crying, because the cake ended up looking like a toad. And it wasn't supposed to, so it's not like a cute little frog. It's just, oh god. So if you're looking for a laugh, stay tuned. And if you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button and ring the little notification bell next to the subscribe button so you get notified when that video goes live. You don't want to miss it. Oh my gosh. Anyways, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you tomorrow.